Module 11, Task CRUD Operations. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to add a task to our application. We will also attach it to the main navigation. Let's go coding. Alright, good morning. It's 4:45, got up about 4 o'clock. Been doing this and that, and it's now 4:45. Let's get back to our program. Our program is doing our project. Let's go to the folder. Let's see, project management. So last time we did calendar. We just ported the calendar that we created earlier into that one. Let's make a copy of that latest one. Control C, Control V. We're gonna make this guy a how about, I didn't mean that. Want to change that name. How about let's do as I was mentioning the last time, was going to help out the somebody in about the showing the to-do task. All right, how about, yeah, let's do that. Let's how about tasks CRUD. Yeah, there it goes. Task CRUD. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna add tasks. Let's see how far we go with this one. By the way, I really like this guy, this new version, 2021 for $76. Hopefully, it will last. Anyways, yeah, let's go to a table. Let's go to a table. Actually, let's take a look at our navigation. We should have calendar. Look at that, nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. I like this color. Now in the future, we're gonna add filter similar to the CRDB. All right, similar to the CRDB. We're gonna be able to filter out the activities, the tasks, maybe projects, and all that. But right now, we just add the the backbone of these guys first. Whatever we need to do. So let's go to create table, design. How about tasks? Yeah, tasks ID. That would be a short text. We're not going to add the not account. Yeah, we're not going to add account just yet. All right, we're going to leave the account. We're going to add account later for user, for login user or employee type. All right, we're going to add that later. As a matter of fact, I think we can do that because we have this guy with the employee here. You see that? So we could, yeah, we could do that. So we could do the same. Yeah, let's do that. Go ahead and add employee ID, and then we're just going to default that to somebody for now until we add the login. So then we could say, how about task date That would be date and date. That's a to-do date. All right, and this will be a task description. We're gonna make this a long text just in case. What else? What else? Added date, meaning this is going to default on the day that the task is added. Yeah, added date. As a matter of fact, this activity, you know what? Activity date. Yeah, we should add the activity that was added. Nah, leave that there. All right, let's see what else. It's private. All right, I'm gonna make that a number. All right. Now the reason why you notice I always make my boolean a number. Yes or no. I don't like that yes or no. All right. Suppose I want to port this to a SQL Server. All right. SQL Server 0 or 1 is yes or no, and this guy not sure what they're defined to, but I'll just I'll just add the I'll just add that as an integer right there. So that will be yes or no or 0 or 1. All right. It's private. What else can we add in here? So that's basically it. Task date is private. Add it on. Yeah, that's good. That's good for now. So let's mark that a primary. All right. Like I said, if we want to add anything in here, we can. All right, in the future. So right now, let's save that guy. It's called task. We are done. Let's open up the CRUD, the object. Let's see, create object, and let's see. Let me show you something else in here. Let's take a look at this code. That's all right. That's all right. You know. Yeah. Let's go ahead and run this guy. Let's type in task. Look at that. Copy. And let's go to code behind. We are going to insert class module. Call it task. Like so. We are done. And then we'll go ahead and add this guy to what is it? GUID DB access. Get GUID. Control S, save task, and let's insert the module. We'll go ahead and type in task DB access, and let's go to grab all. There you go. Copy. Control C, Control V when we get here. There. And let's compile. Good. Perfect. Look at that. That's that. How nice is that? Pretty quick. Save us a lot of typing with these things, you know. So that's that. Let's make a copy of one of these guys. I am going to copy the activity. Copy. We're going to make this guy a task. since it's really similar. And then I'm gonna copy the subform of the task. Copy. See there? And then right here on the task, let's go to the design. We're gonna change that to task right here. Also the name of this guy, oops. There. Good. Now let's fix some of these guys. That's the, see how it's got that activity ID. We're going to change that to task ID. Previous, that's good. I think everything should be good right there. We don't want to change anything. Alright. And we're going to say we're gonna say task. What is this? What is this? Oh, that is a task type. Yeah, to do does not have task type, so we're gonna get rid of that. We can associate to the this project. This is not bad. Yeah, you know what? We can associate the task to the project. Do you want to? Yeah, let's go back and take a look at it again. Let's see this task. Because we know our activity can be associated to the project. You see, it's not required. It's not required. I'm thinking, should we? Yeah, let's make it simple. Just leave that out. All right. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change this guy to text box. All right, because that will be our date, to-do date. All right. Yeah, we'll call that date task. This task will be to-do task date. I'm trying to maneuver this guy right here. You know what? Let's add the task date, and I'm going to move this guy up just a tad. I am going to see how it says it's complete. We're going to change that to it's private. See there? And then we're going to change this guy to it's complete, private. You see there? And then this guy right here will always be added on, added date. Now this guy will always be locked. Alright, you cannot edit this guy, but change this guy right here, the format to short date. Alright, and this guy, the added on to long date. Long, where are you? Not long. General. There you go. General date. General. Just like that. Alright, general date. So that will give us the date and time when the task is added. Alright. And then obviously the to-do. So now the to-do, you can expand this guy all the way down. And if you want to make it a little wider, you can. How to make use of these guys a little wider. I'm gonna make it about this wide. and I'm going to move this booger down a little bit, and I'm going to right there. This thing, you kind of have to dance with it, you know. And then I'm going to move this guy to here, just so that we have the space to write things down, right? Just like that. Just like that. Just gotta grab the bottom here, or just like that. And then we're gonna expand this guy down a little bit there. All right, Control S. Let's double check on this anchor. Where's our anchor? Arrange there. Good. Down across, so it's gonna expand real big. All right, or you could just say stretch down. Let's change it to stretch down. Yeah, right there. I think that looks good. What do you think? Let's move this guy up one notch. Okay, it's starting to act up again, actually. So I'm going to go to the code behind here. We're going to change this to our task as task, and I'm going to start from the bottom up. So this is good. Change this activity to task. Remember, we got to fix this one too. This will be task, employee, task ID. So instead of doing these right here, we can just call unlock, clear. You notice here, right here? Let's take a look. There's a clear right there. Not there. Clear text box. So right here, clear text box. Yeah. That's fine. Just leave that there. And then this one right here, we don't have this, but we have. Oh, we need to change it. Hold on. Hold your horses. I'm gonna close this down, reopen this one. I don't like that little funky line. It start acting up on me again. This is because of so right here, let's call task description. Task description. Okay. Back to our code. This would be task date. Hold on. Task date. See there? No wonder I couldn't find it. Task date. And then now we should be able to say, how about task date? And that would be date. And we're going to get rid of this. We don't have this drop down list. This will be added on. Added date. And we don't have is complete. We have CBO is private. CBO is private. And now on this one right here is private. We're gonna come down here. Let me show you how to do this guy. See how it says yes, no. We need to fix. We have to remember that now. All right, so we're gonna fix that later. And this would be task description. Good, we're good. Keep moving up, keep moving up. Now this would be a task ID. Where's our task ID? We don't see task ID. I thought we changed that, didn't we? There is a task ID here. Let's try that again. TXT task there. And then we don't have this guy. We have TXT task date. We have CBO is private. We have task edit date. I think that's all we have. Yeah, I think that's all we have. I'm going to take that out. This would be task description. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Task date, private, added on. Description here. Oh, employee. We got, yeah, oh, employee right here. Yeah, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Okay, good. That's what we have. And let's go ahead and change this to task ID, employee. This will be TXT task date. This would be CBO is private. TXT added date. Take that guy out. This would be task description and clear errors. Clear errors is way up there. All right. That's lock, unlock. I'm going to copy the entire thing here, copy, and move this guy way up here and paste. And the set focus would be the date. Not edit date, task date. That would be false. False. Edit date log. False. Oops. Test date. What did we have? We're gonna change that background color to something that's real nice. What do we have? Light purple. Light yellow. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try light yellow. And if we like that, we're gonna change the rest of them. Oh, add the date right here. That would be white. Good. Keep moving. Okay, we got this guy right here. Old task. New task. This activity right here will be task ID. Old task. task ID. Okay, we default to that guy too. There you go. Good. Oh, okay. We need to change this error right here. That would be task date. So these are the things that we go through. It's not that difficult. Yeah, this thing is not difficult. Once you creating a table and this and that, it's not hard. Oh, hold on, that's not is private. What is hard is the logic. Alright, it's your head. Add it on. As a matter of fact, this guy will not ever have error, but we'll go ahead and add date. The hard part is the logic, you see. The hard part is the logic. It's how you are going to put things together. Alright. If we don't put ourselves into start thinking how, we always roam around and looking for a solution from somebody else. Now, initially, you should always seek out to get answers from others if you don't understand. But a lot of times, you need to really sit down and really focus on what the logic, and that is personal, and that cannot be taught. I mean, anybody can tell you what to do or show you how to do, but as you are shown how to do, you should start thinking of how you can do it on your own, because that is how we learn things. Initially we rely on those come before us and those who know more, which is okay. All right. But once you start working with this thing, after a year, you should start coming up with things on your own. Task date, private, added date, task date, private, added date. Now this guy will not ever be, this one, edit date, will not ever be error, just because you cannot edit. But we'll do it anyways, right? We'll just go ahead and put that guy in there anyways. All right. Yeah. So just be mindful. A lot of time we're trying to take a shortcut. All right, and just start looking for here and there. Now, don't take me wrong. If you don't know certain things, you gotta roam around, ask those people who know how, which is fine. I mean, that's not to say that you shouldn't. All right, you should. Yeah, you should. It shouldn't take you that long to start learning. Well, the stuff that you have learned, but now technology comes out a lot. New way of coding comes out a lot. New ways of doing things comes out a lot. You have to morph yourself into doing other things as well. Yeah. Now there are one thing I want you to be mindful of. Once you know a little, don't act like you know a lot. And if you do know a lot, be humble. Be humble. Don't have ego of, just be humble. This is not. Then I'm gonna take all that out. Yeah, I think I've seen many many good programmers. They are very, very humble. As I say, those who know do not talk. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. Test date. Well, they do speak at the right time. They know when to speak. They know when not to speak, and they don't argue. I don't argue. If you think you're right, I'm not going to convince you that you're wrong at all. It's private. What was I? Yeah, talking a lot, Jack. Come on, get with the program. But no, yeah, I'm not going to convince. If you think you're right, you are right. I'm not going to convince that you're wrong, even if I feel differently. Even if I feel differently. Yeah. But that's the thing that you have to remember, that if someone is already thinking that they are right, well, good luck to convince them that they are wrong. Oh, you know what we forgot here? We forgot the employee. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, if they think they are right, good luck to convince them that they are wrong. There's no such a thing, you know. But we have our brain. We have all eyes, ears, nose, all senses that can detect, you know, what that we can detect. Yeah, just stay away from confrontation. You don't need to confront people. And don't put yourself into start helping people right away. That's that's a code of conduct. If you think you know and you see somebody else doing them wrong, don't tell that they're wrong, because they're doing it, meaning they already know what they're thinking. You see what I'm saying? So if you know, for instance, you know how to do certain things, all right, and you're seeing somebody is doing something that is totally opposite of what you're thinking and what you know, don't go out there and say, hey, let me show you what to do. No, don't do that. No. You stand there, observe, all right, even if you are itching to help. Even if you are itching to help, you stand there and observe. Act like you're dumb, all right? And that's a lot of things that I gotta tell you. Yeah, those who know, they tend to look dumb, all right? And that is true, you know. Just be humble, all right? Don't help unless you are asked to help. Don't lend your hand if you're not asked to. Okay, because that just goes against, you know, the moral conduct, to me anyways. I am not going to help anybody, guarantee you, if they don't seek me, all right? And that's called being humble. And I'm not going to argue or confront with anybody. Where am I? Test date. You know, if they think they already know, you know, stay away from those. Yeah. Where am I? This one is we can ask edit date equals old task. Edit date. And here, right here, we got a. This one is CBO, is private. You see there? We're gonna do this thing. It's private. You see that 1, 2. That's how you do it. Yeah, it's live is difficult. What am I doing here? to a certain extent. It's difficult that if you don't know how to navigate through life, yeah, it's gonna be hard to navigate through life. Oh, you know what? You know what? We gotta add this. It's complete. Now that I'm thinking, because we don't want to. If it's complete, we've done it. All right. Then we want to mark it done. We don't want to be adding stuff in there. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking. See there? Jack, get with the program. So it's also a private, and is it complete? So if it's complete, you don't want to edit. All right, you don't want to edit. So I just, yeah. And now, yeah, you don't want to edit if it's complete. You see. So let's make that an integer. Bottom there. Control S, close. Let's redo our project here, our object here. Copy. Control C. Yeah. Now that I'm thinking, I wasn't thinking earlier. You see. I'm gonna. There. Save. Oh, by the way, I want to show you something here while I'm at it. See option here. This number 2 here. Do you want to mark that? Okay. Require variable declaration. That means that if this tells you that you need to declare your variable. All right, so put that there, and when you check that, all right, it's going to add this option explicit for you, and that just tells the VBA to say, hey, check all the variables, make sure they are declared or defined. All right, so that's what it is. That's where it is. Just go to option right here, tab tools option, require variable declarations. You see how I check all of these guys. What else do I have here? Yeah, nothing there. Nothing there. So these are not important, but the editor here, these right here, auto syntax check. So that's a good thing. All right. I think it comes defaulted with unchecked. All right. So coffee time. I ran out of lemongrass. I need to get some. You want to get the fresh lemongrass when you make coffee and drop that guy in there. All right, it's a good stuff for your body. Yeah. Also, just live righteously. There are 5 things I follow on a daily basis. I don't know if I should tell you that. Should I tell you it? Do you want to know what I follow? The 5 things I always follow. And religiously. Follow religiously. You really want to know? I don't kill animals. Even insects. Some insects I do. Not all. I don't. Yeah, some insects I do, like the wasp. I don't kill bees. The wasps, they just when they're in my den, not my den, my storage, I spray them, just because. They're gonna make holes through my my little structure. But anyways, I think that's about it that I kill. Oh yeah, some ants, fire ants in my yard. I think those are the 2 insects I kill. The rest of them I try not to. Even mosquitoes. I try the mosquitoes. I just blow them away. You know, if they're trying to hurt me. But those are the only things that insects I kill. I spray stuff around my house so that the insects don't get into my house. No, that's called prevention. You don't intentionally kill, you just deter. Alright, deter. Where were we? Right here. Clear. Where were we? Okay, right here. My bad. Sorry about that. So the first thing that I do, this one is error edit. This one is error is private. Yep. This one is error test date. This one is incomplete. It's complete. Oopsie. Hold on. Let's go back. Error is private. We need to add one more test description. We need to add the complete. Yeah, let's move this guy down. Then move these two guys down, like so. And we're going to copy that guy because it's real similar. As a matter of fact, need to copy that guy as well. Oops, there, and call that label error is complete, and then not that guy, this guy, and that's good right there. Just change the name. CBO is complete. Alright, let's get back to our code behind. Let's add that stuff in there because we just added that guy right here. We're going to just copy this guy, change that to CBO is complete, like so. Yeah, that's the first thing. Thou shalt not kill. Alright, thou shalt not kill. Just be mindful what you're killing. Alright. Yeah, we try to learn to live with them. Light yellow. Now the second thing that I follow religiously, thou shalt not steal. Do not steal. Alright? Do not take things that don't belong to you. Alright? Without gesture. Meaning you gotta ask if you want something. Yeah, don't just take things that's not yours. Alright? That's called stealing, by the way. Yeah, do not steal, please. please do not steal. I think we will right here. If I know how to spell, it's complete. Oh, it's private. Back color dark red. Error task description. There's a project here that shouldn't be there. Name that shouldn't be there. This would be error task date. Let's do that. Error is private. Oh, we all got that. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Complete is private. Add the date. Yeah, like I said, this guy will not ever be error here, but we'll put them in anyways. So we got test date. I'm just gonna swap this guy in order. Got two privates here. Date completed. Yep, that's good. That's good. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. Alright, moving up. That's the second thing that I try to follow. I'm just gonna copy this booger in here. Copy, put it up there. Call this is complete. Is complete. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Control S. Continue. So that's the second thing, is thou shalt not steal. You know what the third thing that I follow? I do follow religiously. Task, employee, date. Right here we want to say task is complete. CBO is complete. Now it's complete right here. When you set right here, let me show you. You gotta do this. If equals, otherwise 0. Similarly, remember we gotta convert this guy to number. Equals. Good. And add a date. This added date will always be today's date, regardless. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. So the third thing, you want to know the third thing that I try to do, or thou shalt commit adultery. Thou shalt commit, do not commit adultery. Commit adultery. Yeah, that's if you know somebody else's wife or somebody else's girlfriend, stay away, alright? Or go out there and just don't do anything weird with adultery, you know. If you're single, live singly. Just don't do stuff that is harmful to you, to your mind. It's complete. So if it's complete is 1, then we'll say yes, else no. That's how you convert it to it. Should have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Right here. If this guy is complete now, then that. That's all it is. That's all it is. Let's move on. Right here in cancel. Previous call else. TXT task ID display. Oh yeah, right here. Display task. So if you keep things closer together, it's easier to also move around. So that's good. We're done with that. Let's move up to the next action. So right here, we don't have that activity anymore. But we got tasks. Remember, we got to go to this subform and update all that stuff. All right. So we'll keep moving. We'll keep moving. Right here, delete. So it would say task db access delete there. Good. And we want to refresh. Good. So far so good. That's the third one. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not commit adultery. That's the third one. You know what the fourth one is? The fourth one is thou shalt not use harsh speech, meaning be humble with your words. Alright? Try to stay away from cussing. That's not good. That's immoral. You don't cuss. You don't call people names. Profanity or bad language. Don't use that stuff. Alright? Don't put yourself down. Have dignity. Have dignity. Have dignity. You gotta, yeah. Just have dignity. Don't put yourself down. If you think you're good, you're always good. And behave like one. You see? That's all it is. If you think you're good, behave like you are good. Don't put yourself down. That's the fourth one, didn't I? Did I tell you that's the fourth one? Now let's go find activity. Where is activity? Do we have any activity in here? Let's type in activity. Oh, there, right there. Ta-da! Okay. Did we miss? There. Alright. Yeah, let's go find activity. Do we have activity? Oh, right there. Right there. How about tasks? Let's go find the next one. Yeah, good. We are good. Now, what about will it compile? Control S. Let's debug and compile. Ooh. What is that? Is it is complete or is completed? I think it's complete. What do you think? Yeah, it's complete. It's complete. Yeah. Let's go find complete. We want to make sure that we get rid of this. Yeah. Let's go find complete. Make sure it's not completed. Good. Good. Alright, now if you do this, or you can just compile. Alright, if you compile, it will tell you. Remember, we got that thing checked out. Good. Good. That's good. We're almost done. Now let's jump to our subform. But before we jump to our subform, let me stretch my legs a little bit here. Before we jump to our subform, we want to create a query for that task. Alright. So let's copy this activity list. Copy, paste. We're gonna name that guy task list. Alright, and then go open it. And see this guy right here? As a matter of fact, we are going to take this guy out. We're going to leave those two in there. But let's go in the code behind here. I'm going to show you how to do this thing. See here? See there? We'll say task. See there? We'll say task. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go back, undo that. Let's go back to the here. Let me show you the easy way to do it. Select this guy right here. Change his alias to A. Now you only need to change one place. You see that? Now you only need to change activity to task, and everything else should be dandy. Alright, so that will be task ID. Continue. There's no task type. Alright. There's no project. You know what? I'm going to get rid of all of that. We're gonna redo this guy. That's good right there. So let's go back to the front. See how I got rid of everything? Just those two. What I want to do is, instead of doing that, I'm just going to do this. You see, I'm just going to copy all these booger in here and put it right there. You see what I'm talking about? Let's check out this guy. Okay, that's good. Perfect right there. And we got this guy right here, which is good. All right. Now we can add all search text. Search text. Alright, what do you want to add? Let's add employee. Now when I type employee here, it refers to this variable right here. Okay, so that should be fine. Alright, so what else do we need to add? That's not much here. How about description? Task description. I think that's good enough. That's all. Alright, because that's the only thing that we're going to be querying is that guy and whatever's in that description, task description. Alright, so let's close that out. And let's close that guy out as well. Now let's go to the subform task, subform. What was I? I was at the things I do religiously. Well, we're at number 4, right? What was number 4? Yeah, do not use harmful speech. Any words that comes out from your mouth, be careful. That really tells you who you are, you see. That really tells you who you are. If you use slang a lot, cuss a lot, you know, people judge you by your words many times, less than action. All right, but you know, action speaks louder than words. So So if you use your words a lot, that's how they're gonna look at you. I say, who's that guy? Who's that guy? Yes, ID. See how I'm doing all this here, and display test. We are going to modify this. We're going to undo this. Remember, we're going to test that out first. So this will be test ID. So yeah, oops. But be helpful, you know. Yeah. Just don't use profanity. That's not good for you. All right. Moral conduct means, you know, say the things that you need to say, no less and no more. Activity. Oh yeah, you know what? We gotta change this booger here to task list, and I'm going to go right here, select activity, change that to task. You see there? And then that would be task date. And what do you want to put there? Task date. How about add it on? Yeah. Task date. We got employee. Yeah, how about it's complete? How about it's complete? There you go. That way we know. Now it's complete. Let me show you how to do this thing. Yeah, let me show you how to do this thing. Let's go to zoom. Zoom. You say equals FFIIF, similar to what we did in the back. If it's 1, we'll say we'll say yes, no, and then we just go in there complete. Just call it complete. Remember, you cannot use the same name up here, okay? You cannot use is complete because it doesn't know. All right. And to be fancy, we're gonna add right there. We call it date. Copy that, move it to the next box, and I'm just gonna slide it over right about yonder. Select that, size widest, select that, and right here I can just type in complete, and that would be just yes, no. You see, just yes, no. Let's see what else can we add in there. Let's take a look. So we got, we have employee, we have date is complete, we can say added on. Yeah, added date. Oh yeah, let's do that. So here we are going to make this booger real small. And then we're going to make this guy down there. Let's move this guy closer to his cousin. and we're gonna select this guy, select that guy. I notice this guy start to act up again, and I'm gonna copy this guy, put it next to this guy. Copy this guy, oops, and select that booger, say widest, complete. This will be added on, and we're gonna make this guy edit date, and we're gonna make this guy short date. Alright, short date, just because if you add general date, it's gonna have hour, minutes, and second in here, so we don't want that. That looks good right there. Alright, so let's make this font a little darker. Yeah, and how about shaded background, back color, see the back style, back color, normal. I like that. It's like light blue. Look good. I think that's good. I think we're done with that. Let's double check. See tasks and activities right there. I'm glad we came in here. That's good. I think that's good. That's good. Let's oh yeah, right here. We're gonna change this guy to task date, and oh yeah, here too. Thought we're done. Play test. Copy that. This would be complete. And this would be added date underscore, add a call in front there. Good. We are good. That should, yeah, on click. Is it on click? On click. What happened? That one didn't do it. Oh, you see that? Because we don't have the. Now it should identify on click. Come on, baby. There you go. All right, good. Safe. We're done with that. Let's test it out. Knock on wood. Let's see if we have any glitch. Okay. Kinda like that. Look at that. Okay. Let's add new. Let's cancel. Ooh, that bright blue. I don't know about that color. What are the color? That's a rule. Yeah, I don't know about that color. Let's change this different light. What else do we have? We want something that's pink, yellow. No. What does this guy look like? Huh? What does this guy look like? What's that guy look like? Save? Well, at least it canceled, right? We're gonna leave it like that. Cancel. Okay. So we're gonna say test date. So this task is going to be done on Monday. Is private? No. We can default this to no, by the way. Is it complete? No. Now you can auto complete this one, because if it's past due to this date, we can just automatic update that guy. Alright, but that can be done easily, meaning you don't have to select this is complete. When it gets to this date, it's got to complete. Alright, so that's what it means. So anyways, yeah, we can automatically update that guy, and this one you cannot add an update. Alright, so now let's add this task will be done. I have no idea what task this will be done on 23, like we didn't know, we just marked it. Save. Will it save? Will it oh, look at that, without a glitch. Oh, aha, that's alright, we know what we're doing. We just come over here. That's not a glitch, by the way. A glitch means something that is weird, that's not working, and we don't call it, we don't call that a glitch. This is not a glitch. That just means that we were not thorough. Look at that, look at that. How about add? How about cancel? Good. There you have it. There you have it. We can add a couple more of these guys. Add a couple more of these guys. Yeah, let's add a couple more. So we got another test that will be done on, we got 23rd, 25th. I don't like this. See how it's defaulted to private? We're gonna default this to none, nada. Alright, just because. No, no, task for date 5/25. Oops. Save. Oh, what happened? It didn't add. What's going on? Did it add? No ID. What the hell? So that's not good. Oh, I know why. You know what? When we updated the task, we forgot to add the ID. We forgot to update the ID. That's why. Right here. Yep. See. Remember we added this is complete. We forgot to do this guy. We forgot to do this guy. DB access. Ooh. Good. Oh, let's try that again. I think I mistyped that one. Yeah, mistype. Woo. Ah, Jack, misspell. Look at that. Yeah, spelling. Gotta make sure you spell right. And that's why we don't hard code anything in here, right? Try not to do no hard code. If you hard code stuff, you're gonna have issues, especially in the future. Alright, let's add new. Oh, I was going to say that we're gonna default this guy to no. Let's go fix it. Let's go fix it. These right here. Let's go fix this. Let's go fix this. See that? Just change that order. That's all you have to do. Similarly, change the order. No. Yes. Save. Alright. Yeah, that was a glitch. Little glitch. I wouldn't. I still. That's not a glitch. Just because a glitch means we don't know what. Yeah, something that's. Yeah, that's not a glitch. That's just not being thorough. All right, that's just not being thorough. What was I? Oh, I was at number 4. Yeah. Be careful with your words. Just don't use profanity. No cussing. No cussing. This test is for date 5/23. And then we're gonna add new one. And and we're gonna add new one. Need to go shopping. Grocery shopping. You gotta go grocery shopping. Alright. Oh yeah, don't forget dishwasher. Don't forget dishwasher. Save. See that? Yeah, we default is to Zoe, but actually we need to change that too. Alright. We're gonna add a couple more, and then we're gonna call it a quit. And then next time we're gonna use this private and not private here, showing in how to do these things. Yeah, let's add a couple more. So we got that. How about Friday? Yay! It's Friday. It's Friday. How about backyard work? How about cutting bamboo tree? Yeah, let's make this guy a private. Alright. So that was 27. How about 28? 28 is continue with the goat house. Have I told you I've been building this goat house? It's almost complete, but I've been taking some videos, not all the time, partially. So goat house, yeah. Continue with the goat house. As a matter of fact, the structure is done. I just need to work on the outside part, and that will be I'm gonna wrap the bamboo around the house. Yeah, continue with goat house. Bamboo treatment. Treat bamboo with solution. Yeah. How about, let's call it bamboo treatment. Yeah, and make this guy private. You see, we don't want anybody to know that we are building this guy. Okay. Good. So we got this guy, we got that guy. Right now it's showing everybody, regardless if it's private or not. Yeah, let's make this guy private too. Yeah, let's edit that. What is that? There you go, short. Yeah, we don't want anybody to know. It's private. Yeah, that's personal. Go shopping. It's personal. Yeah. All right. That's that. Now let's add this to our main navigation, and we'll call it a day. How about that? It's been over an hour. Let's shut this down. We're done with that. Yeah, let's go to task right here. Open that up. Let's go to code behind. We're gonna change this guy to, see there? We're gonna change that guy to there and comment this out. That's all we have to do, you see. Control S. Now let's add this guy to, I keep coming over here to X to close it, but this guy is right on here, so yeah, something you gotta learn to cope with it. Now we're gonna add this guy in here. We want to add, how about add task right underneath of the activity, huh? I like that. Yeah, let's make this guy in number 5, this guy in number 4, this guy in number 3, and this guy, copy that first before you change and make that number 2, and let's add task, see there, and come over here, paste that there and call it a task, and let's move this burger up to there, save, close. Let's see if it works. Okay. Oh, you know what? We're not done yet. Let's go back to code behind here. We need to make adjustment right down here. We're gonna add this guy. As a matter of fact, we're gonna copy this guy on the bottom here, delete that. We're gonna move this guy up here, make that a 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, no, wrong place. Let's revert it. We don't want it to put in there. We want to put under this guy right here. Oh, you know what? We gotta fix this guy. Hold on. We want our calendar to be main one. So this will be. We'll go ahead and put this one. Call task. Alright, that will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's fix this guy. Let's fix this guy. Let's see there. That's not right. Yeah, that's not right. I'm gonna change this guy to like number 20. No, just kidding. So this is this, that should be 1. We're gonna make that a 1. Activity a 2. And that will be 3. That should be 4. Yep, 5. Perfect. Now we're cooking. All right, close that down. Let's take a look. That's more like it. See, it says calendar. Does it say task? Activity. Good. How about task? Good. Oh, you know why? We forgot one thing. Let's go back and fix it. I'm gonna come over here, go to event, copy this guy right here. Copy. Yeah, we gotta. There you go. That's not a glitch, by the way. We're not thorough. We gotta be thorough. Alright, does it say task? That's better. Good. Uh-oh. Complete doesn't click. That clicks. Complete doesn't click. Alright, let's go fix that. It's in the subform right here. This guy is called complete. There, we got down here. Anyways. Oh, without the P. Ah, that's why. Let's close that out. We named it wrongly. Let's change the name to P. That's more like it. There you go. Alright. Control S. Okay, we fixed that. I keep going to the right there to close it. Alright, let's try again. Does this guy click? Good, that's better. Alright, currently it's showing everybody, regardless if it's private or not. Next time we're gonna fix that. Alright, when we have login, we're gonna fix it. Right now, let's not worry about that. That is not an issue. Alright, that's not an issue. We're gonna fix that. Alright, that's what we did. We add a task. Alright, and that task is going to help Ian. Alright, Ian, just follow the next video. We're gonna, we gotta add the login. Alright, so next video we're gonna add a login, and we're gonna see how we are going to add login here. Okay, because I noticed this guy is really short here. You know why? I know why. So let's close that out. Let's fix that. That's the reason why. So yeah, that's good enough right there. So yeah, we're gonna add login. All right. Something that I don't like is when we add login, is we have to keep logging in and logging out. All right. So that's the reason why we don't want to. We can simulate the login, because if we add the login every time we work at this thing, we have to log in, and that's just gonna slow down the process. All right, but we can simulate the login. But I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. All right, and the task gonna only show all the tasks that is non-public or mine login. All right, or mine login. So if it's my login, I can see my private tasks and others that are non-private. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, that's it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.